How's it going, guys? I'm gonna do a little unboxing from Uncle Sam's Discus today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Kind of a surprise. I thought they were gonna be mailed today, and I actually got them today. So that just saves me one day of worrying about my fish. I'm sure you guys all understand how that is. But they're here. Let's get them unboxed and get them in the tank. Have fun, guys. Enjoy. How's it going, guys? Another order from Uncle Sam's Discus. Can't wait to get these open. I know what they are, but do you? Few of you do. Believe it or not, this came in at 88, and it did have a heat pack. Here it is, 100 degrees here, still warm. I don't know what size peak pack it is, but yeah, it was there inside the box. I've already opened it, saved myself some trouble. Got the regular ice chest crate here. Got a lot of time here. Yes, that's a golden marble discus. Let's grab. There's another bag in here. Let's see what's in there. It's always fun when you gotta fight these big ass bags. Okay, come on, bag. Sure he's okay. And there's the other one. Well, they look really nice. Guess they got on the plane last night and got here this morning. Nice and warm, just like they should be. But we'll get back to you after we get the tank ready. Yes, I said after we get the tank ready. I thought they were going to be shipped today and arrive tomorrow. Well, they're here today. Well, all good. I just got everything. Doing a big water change on the tank they're going into. And we'll get to you as soon as I can get that done. My son's over there filling it up right now. Get you guys in a minute. Well, how's it going, guys? We got one leaner, but that's completely normal for Discus. This is my golden marble possible pair here. So she's standing up, she'll be fine, just a couple hours. Tomorrow they'll be eating. They, the male already act like he's ready to eat. I figure that's somebody else just guessing. But really nice Discus, really nice. But this here is my most expensive fish I've bought yet. I ain't even gonna say how much they were. They're a possible pair from Uncle Sam's Discus, if you didn't see it already. But they'll be fine in a couple hours. I'm going to turn the lights off. You guys think about these Discus? I know I really enjoy them. Hope you guys did too. Seen them, I just had to have them. Found a way to get them. Later, buds.